Sangam. You're watching Times Now. I am Meenakshi Upreti. Viewers, our top focus is the Mahakumbh, where the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reached already. That's the big breaking news coming in at this hour. So the Prime Minister has reached Prayagraj. He is scheduled to take the holy dip and offer prayers at the Sangam around 11 a.m. 30 minutes from now on. The Prime Minister will be taking the holy dip. We are showing you visuals from 2019 viewers. These are viewers of the Prime Minister taking the dip earlier, and today as well we'll see something very similar. The Prime Minister is going to take the sacred snan. He's going to take the holy dip today as well. My colleague Akanksha is joining us live on the broadcast. Akanksha, take us through the latest coming in. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, we believe, has reached Prayagraj.
Well, absolutely. You see, Prime Minister has arrived in Prayagraj. In just some time, he's going to come at VIP Ghat, and then he will move towards the Sangam. That is the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati, and take the holy dip. Let me straight away show you the visuals. That is where the VIP Ghat is, and that is where the Prime Minister, along with the Chief Minister and several saints of Akharas, are going to arrive there in just some time. By around 11 o'clock, he will arrive at the VIP Ghat. There you can see that is the beautiful Nishad Raj cruise that he will embark upon along with the Chief Minister, and from there hardly 100 meters on the left hand side, I would request my camera person to show the yellow and the white tents. That is where the Sangam Ghat is, and that is where he along with the Chief Minister will stay there for 1 hour. They will take the holy dip, they will do certain rituals with the help of the saints, and then they will do the Ganga Aarti. The similar scenes were also witnessed in 2019 during the Kumbh Mela, and today in another half an hour Prime Minister will be here and he will be taking a holy dip. Now today is quite important because the Delhi elections are taking place, and also all the three Amrit Snans are over, and hence in fact the VIP area has been designated for the Prime Minister, so that it is away from the rush of the devotees who have come here, so they will not face any hindrance as far as the movement is concerned. So in just another half an hour he will be here along with the Chief Minister. Several saints will be along with him too, and they will embark upon this beautiful Nishad Raj cruise and head towards the Sangam Ghat to take the holy dip, to perform the rituals, and then to also do the Ganga Aarti. The last time the Prime Minister was here was on December 13, 2024, wherein he launched several projects around 5,500 crore related to Prayagraj, related to Mahakumbh, and that time importantly he had said that Mahakumbh is a Mahayagya of unity. Anyone who comes to Mahakumbh,
unity, and why don't you hold on to that thought? We'll come back to you. Meanwhile, viewers, let's also tell you about the Prime Minister's itinerary, what he is going to do today. That's something which obviously our colleague was also telling us about. The Prime Minister is going to be visiting Prayagraj. He's going to be taking the holy dip today. He will be taking the holy dip around 11 a.m. That's the latest coming in. This is also coinciding with Magh Ashtami. It's an auspicious day for devotion and charity. Nearly 38 crore people have taken the holy dip so far, and all eyes obviously are going to be on the Prime Minister, who's going to take the holy dip in about a few minutes from now on. Akanksha continues to be live with us. She is bringing us all the live updates. Akanksha, you were telling about how Mahakumbh obviously also being described as a confluence, not just a sacred confluence, but also something which signifies unity. Take us through what the Prime Minister had to say earlier about the Mahakumbh, and also the significance of the Magh Ashtami, the auspicious day when the Prime Minister is going to be taking the sacred snan.
Well, absolutely. You see, the Prime Minister last time had said that Mahakumbh is the Mahayagya of unity. At Mahakumbh, everyone becomes one, be it saints or the common people. The difference between the caste, language or the states completely disappears. Today at around 11 o'clock, he will be arriving at the VIP Ghat that you can see right there. Security has been heightened there. In fact, that entire VIP Ghat has been beautifully decorated with orange and yellow marigold. In fact, that cruise that you can see right there, that is the Nishad Raj cruise that he will be embarking upon along with the Chief Minister. It also has been beautiful beautifully decorated for the Prime Minister. Remember, the last time he was here was on December 13, 2024. But most importantly, in 2019, also during the Kumbh Mela, he was here. We saw the similar pictures. He had come here. He went to the Sangam Ghat that you can see right there, yellow and white tents. He took the holy dip, did the Ganga Aarti, performed several rituals and prayed for the countrymen. And today that is going to happen again. But most importantly, he will not go to Hanuman Mandir or Akshay Vad, so that there is no hindrance to the movement of the people here. Every day we are witnessing lakhs and crores of people who are coming. In fact, during the last Amrit Snan, 2.5 crore people had come on the very single day. And on that, the other side, I request my camera person to show right opposite to this very ghat is the Sangam Ghat. And every day millions and millions of people come to that particular ghat. They also take a boat and come to the Sangam Ghat. But because the Prime Minister is going to arrive here in some time, we are not seeing any boat in this area. Both services have been suspended for the general public. As soon as he will leave, it will resume again. But definitely a very important visit by the Prime Minister. He was there during the Kumbh Mela in 2019, and then last month in December, he had come here. He had done the Puja Aarti. He addressed the public as well here. And in fact, he launched several projects for the Mahakumbh Mela and the Prayagraj. So in just another 20 minutes or so, he will be here along with the Chief Minister, several saints of Akhada, several representatives.
Politics also has begun on the Prime Minister's visit. We also have Manoj Yadav ji, who's joining us on the broadcast. Morning, sir. Thank you for joining us. What will you say about the Prime Minister's visit? Prime Minister has reached Prayagraj, likely to take the holy dip in a few minutes from now, but opposition really has raised a few questions over the same. What are your contentions? What's your issue with this, sir?
निश्चित तौर पर प्रधानमंत्री जी को कुंभ जाना चाहिए था. अगर सब कुछ अच्छा होता तो स्नान करने जाना चाहिए था, लेकिन जब सब कुछ अच्छा नहीं रहा और इतनी बड़ी घटना घटित हुई, तो प्रधानमंत्री का पहला धर्म ये था कि जिस स्टेट से वो एज ए एमपी जाते हैं और प्रधानमंत्री बने हैं, तो ये प्रधानमंत्री जी वहाँ पे सबसे पहला दौरा करते और ये जांचते कि वहाँ पे कितने लोग हताहत हुए, कितने लोग गुमशुद हुए. स्नान बड़ी छोटी बात हो गई अब, क्योंकि देश के और इतने बड़े महापर्व के भगदड़ में इतने लोगों की जाने गई और प्रधानमंत्री जी स्नान करने जा रहे हैं. ये बात मेरे ख्याल से आम जनमानस को बिल्कुल भी बर्दाश्त नहीं है और शायद इसका रिएक्शन उनको देखने को मिलेगा. हमारे नेता आदरणीय अखिलेश यादव जी ने सदन में ये बात लोकसभा में कल रखी कि हम मौन 2 मिनट का चाहते हैं, तो वो उनकी पावर थी, उन्होंने नहीं किया, कहा लास्ट में करेंगे. लेकिन इतना मैं जानता हूं कि शायद कोई भी संवेदनाएं मौजूदा प्रधानमंत्री उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री जी को.
Okay, so you're obviously, as far as the SP is concerned, they're also raking up the Kumbh stampede tragedy to criticize and question the Prime Minister's visit. Politics on the visit is happening, and we'll be focusing on the politics also, viewers. But also, let's tell you about the latest coming in. What we know is that the Prime Minister has landed in Prayagraj. He's going to be, visiting the holy ghat. He's going to be taking a holy dip, sacred snan, in about a few minutes from now on. My colleague Pratibha is also joining us. She has the detailed itinerary of the Prime Minister. Pratibha, over to you.
Right, so Meenakshi, the Prime Minister has just arrived in Prayagraj. In a few moments from now, he will be taking the holy dip. A lot of politics around it, but let's take you through the itinerary of the Prime Minister. He has just arrived. He was expected to arrive at about 10:30, so it's on schedule, after which he will be headed towards the Sangam Nose. And we'll get you the itinerary, and we'll put it out here for our viewers as well to show you what the itinerary looks like. The Prime Minister is not just going to take a holy dip. Apart from that, he's also going to be participating in the Ganga Aarti. That's expected in a short while from now. We've seen some of the high-profile visits, including the Union Home Minister, the Chief Minister also visiting several times. So the Prime Minister is expected to come there in just a few moments from now, after which he will be taking a ferry from the Sangam going towards for the dip, after which, of course, the Ganga Aarti will also be performed.
All right, Pratibha, thank you for joining us with all these details. That's the Prime Minister's detailed itinerary. Akanksha continues to be live with us. Yes, Akanksha, over to you. You were telling us about the significance of this day as well, the Magh Ashtami, an auspicious day for devotion and charity. 38 crore people have already taken the holy dip so far. Take us through, why this day is so significant, because far as the Prime Minister is concerned, he is already in Prayagraj. Holy dip also, just as our colleague was telling us, expected in about 30 to 40 minutes from now on.
Around 11:10 is what we are learning. Prime Minister will arrive at the VIP Ghat that we were showing you, and the beautiful Nishad Raj cruise that he will be embarking upon along with the Chief Minister and several saints from Akhadas. In fact, there's a possibility that he also could hold a discussion with several representatives of the Akhadas when he goes to the Sangam Ghat. And as you were mentioning, close to 40 crore people have already taken holy dip in Sangam. Remember, the target of the UP government was 45 crore devotees taking holy dip in 45 days. But it seems that that target will be achieved way before the Mahakumbh ends. So today is quite significant. Significant Prime Minister is going to arrive here in just some time. And this is also happening at a time when the Delhi elections are taking place. A whole lot of politics happening over it. But most importantly, in 20 minutes or so, Prime Minister will be coming to the VIP Ghat, beautifully decorated for him. He'll be embarking upon the Nishad Raj cruise along with the Chief Minister. He'll be heading towards the Sangam Ghat that you can see on the screen. There he will get off the boat. He will take the holy dip. Then he will perform certain rituals with the help of the saints. And after that, very importantly, he will also perform Ganga Aarti, just like the way he did in 2019 as well. But he was here last month as well. In December, he was here. He did the Ganga Aarti. He visited the Sangam Nose. He addressed the public here. And as I was telling you, he had called Mahakumbh a Mahayagya of unity. So again today, when the Mahakumbh is taking place and already close to 40 crore people have already taken the dip, Prime Minister is going to be here in just some time. In another few minutes, he will be arriving here to take the holy dip in Sangam.
In fact, the PM had also, issued a statement on the same Akanksha where they spoke about how the Prime Minister, in his commitment to promote and preserve India's spiritual and cultural heritage, has consistently been taking proactive steps. And today also, by visiting Mahakumbh, he's sort of continuing with that same tradition. Take us through that statement also by the PMO. Okay, Akanksha, if you can hear us, help us understand really, the thought process behind the Prime Minister's visit, the PMO statement also, which we just read out, and really, how significant is the Prime Minister visiting the world's largest spiritual and cultural gathering, that's the Mahakumbh.
Well, absolutely. See, this is Mahakumbh Mela, the world's largest religious gathering. In fact, the Prime Minister will be here in some time. He will not, in fact, go to Hanuman Mandir or Akshay Vat. That is on my right-hand side. The last time, in fact, he was here, he went to Akshay Vat, Hanuman Mandir. He also spoke to several saints here. But this time, just keeping in mind that people do not face any issue, he has decided to just come and take the holy dip and then head back, because every day we are witnessing crores of people on a single day coming to Prayagraj to take the holy dip. And hence, as I was telling you, this VIP Ghat has been made on the other side of the Sangam Ghat just to make sure that people do not face any issue. There are no barricades, there are no restrictive movement of the people, and hence to make sure that people do not face any sort of issue or any sort of hindrance in taking the holy dip, Prime Minister will just in fact come to the VIP Ghat. He will go to the Sangam and only take the holy dip and
go back. Also coming in of the Prime Minister. Akanksha, take us through these visuals.
Well, absolutely. Prime Minister has arrived in Prayagraj. In just some time, he will be coming towards the VIP Ghat. He will be embarking upon the beautiful Nishad Raj cruise and will be going towards the Sangam Ghat. At around 10:30, Prime Minister landed in Prayagraj. He will, in fact, reach here in just some time, and then he will go to the Sangam Ghat, where he will be there for just 1 hour is what we are learning. He'll take the holy dip, do certain rituals, and then he will do the Ganga Aarti. He, in fact, will be flanked by the Chief Minister and several saints is what we are learning. And security, as you can see, has been heightened on the other side, hand side. That is the VIP Ghat that my video journalist is currently showing to you. And that is the beautiful Nishad Raj cruise that you can see in the visuals as well. So in just some time, Prime Minister along with the Chief Minister, several saints are going to arrive at this beautiful VIP Ghat that you can see in the visuals, and will be heading towards the Sangam Ghat.
Right, and you know, obviously from the Prime Minister to the Home Minister, the Defence Minister, VIPs, top leaders of the BJP visiting the Mahakumbh, obviously, you know, that emphasizes the significance of the event as well. And obviously, you know, with the BJP top leaders visiting, what's the message which the party is giving? Help us understand, again, as we were discussing, you know, the significance, the importance of Prime Minister visiting or being in Prayagraj today.